Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well. I am Sonali, your computer teacher, going to teach you computer subject. And today we are going to learn lesson number 1. To learn this lesson, let us go to the next slide. Lesson number 1. Computer, a smart machine. Computer is called smart machine. Let us learn why computer is called smart machine. A computer is very useful machine. It is used almost everywhere, such as in school, homes, shops, offices, banks and hospitals. It has become an important part of our lives. A computer has some wonderful features that make it smarter than human beings. Let us know about each feature one by one. Know the difference which makes computer smarter than human. Computer versus human. When we compare computers with a human in terms of storage, a computer stores a large amount of information and never forgets it. Whereas humans may forget the information stored in their mind. Example, when we read a particular page from book, we couldn't remember as it is whatever we have read. But in computer, we can store the page as it is. When we compare computer versus human in terms of time, a computer works very fast and can do many jobs at a time. Whereas human need more time to do any work as compared to computer. Computer work faster than human. True. Example, if I want to add two numbers, I have to go through thinking process, then give answer. This takes time, but when we do an addition of two numbers in computer, within a span of time, it will give results. Computer versus human in terms of accuracy. A computer does not make any mistake, whereas human can make mistake. When human do calculation in mind, human can produce wrong answers, but computer will never return wrong answer. Computer versus human in terms of work process. A computer works very fast and can do many jobs at a time, whereas human need more time to do work as compared to a computer. Computer versus human in terms of decision. A computer does not take its own decision, whereas humans take their own decision. Computer need humans' helps to take decision. Without human order, computer cannot take its own decision or it can go forward. Students, let us learn the next concept. Uses of computer in different fields. In that first one is home. In home, we can use computer for watching movies and listening to songs. We can also search information on computer. We can also play games on computer, whereas we can do homework also in computer. Second, schools. Computers are also used in school. We can use computers in school for maintaining the records of books and helping teachers in teaching. It is also used to make timetable, report cards and library records. Computers are also used in school for doing practical work in lab. Computers help students to draw, color pictures. Let us learn the next field where computers are used. In that, first one is shops and offices. Computers are also used in shops and offices. You all might have seen computers in many offices and shops. In offices and shops, computer is used to keep records of items, and it is also used for typing and printing bills. It is used to sending and receiving messages in offices. Banks. Keeping the detail of bank accounts, taking out money from ATM. For these all things we can use computers in banks. Let us learn the next fields where computers are used. Hospitals. In hospital, we can use computer for keeping records of patients, preparing medical reports, x-rays, etc. Helping doctors to learn more about disease and the causes. We can use computers. Next, designing industry. Computers are also used in designing industry. Computer plays very important role in the industry of designing. Computers are used for designing clothes, cars, machines, buildings and printing books, newspaper, magazines, etc. Computers are also used for making cartoons and animated movies. As you all know, computers are also used in railway station and airports for booking tickets, keeping record of all passengers, giving information about the arrival and departure timings. Computers are also used in space, research and defense centers for finding information about space, sending rockets into space, helping the military make security weapons. Computers are used. Computer is also used for learning new skills. Learning how to drive a car or fly an aeroplane. Learning different languages, cooking and much more. Now let us learn the next concept in this lesson, that is types of computer. Computer come in many shapes and sizes. There are mainly 4 parts in computer.